Gigondas is a red wine appellation located in the Rhone Valley of France in the southeastern part of the country. Gigondas wine are nearly as famous, even though probably not just as much as the ones made in Châteauneuf-du-Pape, but they are definitely made in a relatively similar style. Gigondas wines are made with the majority of Grenache, with often blended with some Syrah and Mourvèdre. So Gigondas wine are red wines. If you are wondering about the typical French pronunciation, Gigondas, Gigondas. There is a debate on whether or not you should pronounce the S at the end of Gigondas, whether the S is silent or not. You will find some French people saying Gigondas, Gigondas. But in that part of the country, in the southern part, S's at the end of words tend to be not silent as much as in the northern part of the country, where the accent is a little bit different. This to say that in the southern part of the country, where Gigondas is located, most people would pronounce the S. So the short answer is that you'd better pronounce Gigondas if you truly want to sound like the way people would speak in the Rhone Valley of France. Gigondas, Gigondas, Gigondas. Certainly do not say Gigondas, no, Gigondas, Gigondas. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.